Top 5 AI Tools for Content Writing. Are you tired of spending hours on content writing? Do you want to create high-quality content quickly and easily? Well, artificial intelligence may be the solution you're looking for. AI tools for content writing use natural language processing to analyze your input and generate high-quality content in a matter of minutes. In this video, we will explore the top 5 AI tools for content writing that can help you take your content creation to the next level. 1. First up is GPT-3, a state-of-the-art language generation model developed by OpenAI. GPT-3 can help content creators generate ideas, write articles, and even summarize long texts. It's particularly useful for those who want to produce high-quality content in a short amount of time. 2. Next up is Article Forge, an AI-powered content generation tool that can create high-quality articles in minutes. The tool uses deep learning algorithms to analyze your input and generate unique, high-quality articles that are SEO-friendly and engaging. 3. Third on our list is WriteSonic, an AI-powered copywriting assistant that can help you create compelling copy for your website, email campaigns, social media, and more. The tool uses advanced algorithms to generate high-quality copy that is tailored to your specific needs. 4. Fourth on our list is Copy.ai, an AI-powered writing assistant that can help you generate high-quality copy for your website, email campaigns, social media, and more. The tool uses machine learning algorithms to analyze your input and generate relevant, engaging copy that is tailored to your specific needs. 5. Last but not least, we have Articulo, an AI-powered content creation tool that can help you generate high-quality articles in minutes. The tool uses natural language processing to analyze your input and generate unique, engaging articles that are tailored to your specific needs. Now, you may be wondering if AI tools for content writing are expensive or if they can replace human writers. The cost of AI tools for content writing varies depending on the tool and the plan you choose. Some tools offer free trials, while others require a subscription fee. And while AI tools can generate high-quality content, they cannot replace the creativity and originality of human writers. In conclusion, AI tools for content writing can be a game-changer for content creators looking to save time and resources. The top 5 AI tools for content writing we discussed in this video can help you generate high-quality content quickly and easily, without sacrificing creativity or originality. So, what are you waiting for? Try them out today and see the difference for yourself. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this.